bankrupt, not one, not two, but 4 models, and they're already trending worldwide.
Hey, before you think of placing your order, especially if you're Nigerian like me, there are some must-knows.
Hello and welcome back to my channel Tech Insight with Ike, where we make tech simple and safe for you.
In this video, we are diving into the brand new Google Pixel 10 series. We will cover the features, specs, pricing, who these phones are actually meant for, and my honest Nigerian buyer's perspective. Let's get started.
August 28, 2025. That's a couple of days ago. The Pixel 10 series lineup officially launched. What else are?
Pixel 10, the Pace flagship, Pixel 10 Pro, the premium option, Pixel 10 Pro XL, a bit more powerful version, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, Google's latest foldable. Pre-orders open the same day, and the official release date is August 28 for the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and the Pixel 10 Pro XL. The Fold shipped later on October 9, 2025. Design and build. Design-wise, Google is keeping its signature camera bar on the back, but the phones are slimmer with aerospace-grade aluminum. The Fold has a reinforced gearless hinge and is the first foldable with IP68 dust and water resistance. That's a game changer for durability. Anyways, all models come in new colors: obsidian black, arctic silver, and jet green, with the Fold also available in a limited pale white edition. Now the displays. Pixel 10 has 6.3-inch OLED, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+. Pixel 10 Pro, 6.7-inch OLED with LTPO technology, adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120Hz. Pixel 10 Pro XL, 7.1-inch OLED, even brighter with peak 2800 nits outdoors. Pixel 10 Pro Fold, dual screens, 6.4-inch outer OLED and 8-inch inner OLED. Inside, every model is powered by the Tensor G5 chip. That's Google's first built with TSMC, not Samsung. This chip promises better power efficiency, cooler temps, and faster AI processing. Cameras and AI magic. Google is always about the camera, and the Pixel 10 series takes it further. 50 megapixel main sensor with bigger pixels for low light, 48 megapixel ultra wide on Pro and above, 48 megapixel telephoto with 5 times optical zoom on all models. The Pixel 10 Pro and the Pixel 10 Pro XL push it up to 100 times ProRes zoom, powered by AI. And here's the kicker: Camera Coach. This new AI feature literally guides you on how to frame shots better, suggesting angles and lighting adjustments in real time. Other AI tricks include Magic Q. It pulls up info during calls, like file details. Best Take combines faces from multi-shots for the perfect group photo. Live Translate 2.0, seamless two-way translation with voice. Schedule Hub auto-organizes events, travel, and meetings. These aren't just gimmicks, they are genuinely useful. Battery and charging. The Pixel 10 Pro XL Fold support 45 watts wired charging and 25 watts wireless Qi 2.2 charging. The smaller Pixel 10 and 10 Pro are slightly slower, but still support Qi 2 magnetic charging.
Google claims over 30 hours of battery life on a single charge, with extreme battery saver stretching up to 72 hours. That's impressive, considering all the AI features running in the background.
If you are getting value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Let's continue with the software and updates. They ship with Android out of the box and promise 7 years of updates. That means your Pixel 10 will still be getting updates in 2032, longer than almost any other Android phone. That's a huge selling point. Price and availability. Here is the official pricing. Pixel 10 is $799, Pixel 10 Pro $999, Pixel 10 Pro XL $1,199, Pixel 10 Pro Fold $1,799. Pre-orders are available on the Google Store, Amazon, Best Buy, and major carriers like Verizon. For Nigeria, though, we will mostly be relying on resellers and imports.
Now, let's talk about who should actually buy these phones. The Pixel 10 is for users who want Google's clean Android and great cameras without going too crazy. The Pixel 10 Pro is perfect for content creators who need sharp photos, solid videos, and lots of AI tools. The 10 Pro XL, that's for power users, gamers, and professionals who want the biggest screen and the longest battery life. Pixel 10 Pro Folds, that's for multitaskers, productivity nerds, and early adopters who want the best foldable. Should you buy the Pixel 10 series? Well, if you are a tech enthusiast who want the latest AI tools and can afford the import prices, then but if you are an everyday buyer in Nigeria looking for something reliable
with local support and easier repairs, you might be better off with Samsung Galaxy or iPhone for now. Personally, I had loved to own the Pixel 10 Pro as a secondary device, but not as my daily driver here in Abuja. That's the Google Pixel 10 series launch, the features, pricing, my honest perspective as a Nigerian buyer. What do you think? Would you spend over ₦1 million on a Pixel with AI-powered everything, or stick to a brand with stronger local support? Drop your thoughts below. Which one of the Google Pixel 10 series would you want me to dive deeper into? The links to all Pixel 10 series on Amazon are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video if you found it helpful. Until next time, stay sharp.